Part 4 of the 1970 Cuda rebuild with the Hellcat crate in it, also known as Dirtfish. We finally got the floor pan out of it. Had to go and pop all of the spot wells on it or drill them out. And then we had to actually cut some of the floor pan out. We did not do the front part of it like we initially had talked about. And the reason why is because we felt it was probably going to weaken the firewall somewhat if we drilled it out where the floor pan comes into the flanges in the front. So what we decided to do is we're going to go ahead and put the new floor in, and we're just going to run it up along the front, flange it, and then spot weld that also, tack weld it in place all the way across the front. So in addition to us working on it on a couple of weekends, it was worked on some of the evenings too by the owner before we finally got it out. Frame looks like it's in pretty good shape. There doesn't appear to be any major problems with the frame, no rust. Anything that's on there, surface rust. We did find, as you can see, a heck of a lot of sand. Where it was at, it was probably running dirt roads or farmer roads or something where the car came out of up in North Dakota. So what's left of the pan, obviously it was came out in several pieces because it was kind of getting to be kind of a pain because we had to drill out all the individual spot wells on it and then pop them and then do some cutting. But if you recall, the transmission hump on it had been kind of a mess, so the whole thing had to come out. The next thing we'll work on is trying to figure out where we're going to put where we're going to find all the wells in here. We're going to have to start looking at everything for the tack wells in the trunk to take care of the issues here in the back, and hopefully that should be coming up fairly soon. So that's it for the end of part 4, and stay tuned for Dirtfish.